Good morning. My name is Dr. Kelly Blasko, and I'm a psychologist that works within the Defense Health Agency and run programs for military children. Today, I want to talk to you about child abuse prevention. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and Military One Source and DHA have several resources that will be really helpful for parents and youth in terms of helping with preventing child abuse. You know, in the past, a lot of resources are focused just on parents and types of ways to identify and report. But we really know military children or children in general know their friends fairly well and can kind of tell if something's not quite right. So we've created resources on Military Kids Connect, a website for military youth to help with issues related to military life in general. And for this month and continuing on, we have a blog and an animation or a video type of animation that really focuses on being an all-in friend. So with child abuse, you know, you parents see things, children see things, healthcare providers see things. So as a community, we really look for signs and to provide the children that are being abused or neglected with the appropriate care. But this year, it's really important to focus on military youth. And like I said, they have friends that they might be worried about. So we really wanted to give these kids some tools or some steps that they might consider when they're wanting to help a friend. So first thing is, you know, having youth ask their friend, are they okay? They could notice the change in behavior. They could text them, you know, talk to them on the phone or if they're in school to talk about that as well. And then, you know, when they're talking with their friend, to really listen to what the friend says. So, you know, listening to understand how they're feeling and maybe even understanding, you know, what their friend is going through or what is actually happening in their life that they need help with. And then also you want the kids to realize that even though their friend is being hurt or whatever, it's not their fault. And to really have them encourage their friend to really not take it on as something that they've done wrong, but that actually it is not okay for adults or anyone to abuse children. And also that youth can say to their friends, you're not alone. I'm here as your friend. I want to listen. I want to help you get help. But most importantly is the final thing is to get your friend or talk to a trusted adult about what might be happening. It's really not youth or children's responsibility to report child abuse or neglect, but they do need the community and support of their parents, maybe their teachers, some other trusted adult that they can go to talk about this so that their friend can actually get the help they need and the support. So it's really important for you as a parent or as an adult to create this community or this circle of trusted adults for military youth. Also, the military has resources like the military family life consultants that support children at schools and at home. And much of the resources that are provided to military families and youth are associated with the Family Advocacy Program. So I would really encourage you to check out the resources on Military Kids Connect, as well as tell your children, middle school, high school, of this kind of resource so that they can, you know, not be put in an awkward position and to really support their friends. And also on a landing page on Military One Source, you'll see for yourself resources that you could use in terms of getting help for children uh, uh, who you suspect might be being abused or neglected. So really, we're all a community and we're all here to support our children. They're very precious to us. They're really part of our military families, serving our country. And these resources can help keep everybody safe and work as a community. But most importantly, for children, encourage them to be all in friend. And although April is the Child Abuse Prevention Month, we need to be cognizant and on alert for any child abuse or neglect at any time of the year. It's just this month we can highlight and share resources that will be there not only for this month, but also throughout the year. So certainly, please keep safe. Look at these resources and have your children look at the resources and provide the support for all our kids. So please stay safe and healthy and check out the resources. Thank you.